Well, the snow, where it is falling, is pretty, but there's nothing too pretty about freezing rain, and that's what we got in much of the state, Keith.
No, I'd much rather be on the other side of that delineation this midday because the snow is good. We've got several inches going down here, but you can see this large area, as we thought would be the case, of freezing rain and freezing drizzle. The heaviest of which has been from Augusta to Lewiston over to Sebago, where they've seen snow first and then changed over to freezing rain. It's been really snowing out towards Bethel, Newry, Rumford, Farmington, Carrabassett Valley, Kingfield. They've been getting snow. They're happy about that. I was checking a couple of ski areas, webcams, and it was looking good. Meanwhile, over down East Maine, it's been rain, as we thought, too warm there. Patton seeing some snow, Millinocket up into Caribou as well, where they'll see 6 to 12 inches. Now, the situation with a storm like this is that you can get freezing rain at 32 or 31, but it doesn't really seem to stick until 30 or below. And so the good news is, yeah, the coast is 31 in Portland, 30 Wiscasset's on the line, but there's not too many 20s, Augusta being the exception there, where, as I said, I think they're seeing some of the heavier icing that's been going on so far. So this whole mixture will continue to move off to the north and east. I think by the evening commute, it will be a non-issue. Might have a few slick spots, of course, but the precipitation will be gone, except for far northern Maine where it's still snowing. And again, Caribou's still seeing snow through about midnight. None of this will just melt away. It's going to be cold tonight with temperatures in the teens. And tomorrow we only get to around 20, 21, even to the coast, teens in the mountains. So it will be a very cold day. So anything that you want to get rid of as far as ice, you either have to put chemical on it, rock salt, or you have to smash it because it's not just going to melt away. It'll be even colder tomorrow night with temperatures dropping into single digits in a lot of spots. And then it looks pretty quiet for Christmas Eve day. Maybe a flurry possible over far southern Maine in the afternoon. That will be about it. So as far as additional snowfall accumulation here, the outlier obviously into Aroostook County. Most areas looking another inch or two of snow. Areas that have not seen snow aren't going to, as we continue to just deal with that freezing drizzle, flitting back and forth to rain along the immediate coastline. So far the reports have been basically, if you're within a certain distance of the coast, 5 miles or so, it hasn't really been too much ice accumulating there. Okay, I didn't even have time to talk about Christmas Day. There's a chance of some snow over southern Maine on Christmas Day. I don't think it's going to be like a disruptor type storm here, but that is something that's worth watching. It should be quiet into the run up to Christmas Day, and then sun and clouds on Sunday, increasing clouds on Monday and Tuesday. It's worth noting though that this storm, Christmas Day, and then one that could be around on Sunday, the best chance of them impacting us will be over southern Maine, where we could see some snow. And the other thing, Rob, is that we'll take a better look at this Saturday storm now that we're almost done with this, but there's just only so much modeling you can juggle at one time.
One at a time.
Yeah.
Thank you, Keith.